Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this question number 3, we will find the value of k, but this time the condition is different in this question. It is written sum of squares of roots of equation is equals to 6. We are provided the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x plus 2k plus 1. So we would separate a, b, c from it first, and c will be equals to 2k plus 1. We will assume that alpha, beta be the roots of equation, which equation is given right here. And if these are the roots of equation, then we are provided a condition in the very beginning of the question that sum of squares of roots of equations equal to 6. So sum of squares of root, how to translate this sentence? You need to find sum, but sum will be written as sum of squares, means alpha square and beta square. So this is called sum of squares of roots, and it is written equals to 6. This is a given information. So I have translated this information in this one. Right? This was given. So now what we are going to do, that we will use actually sum of roots and product of roots of this equation to find the value of k. And this equation, which is number 1, you can label it as, for example, this is some given information as x squares. This is equation number suppose 1, and it is given. Now, if we will find sum of roots and product of roots by formula, that will be minus b over a, and according to this, b is equals to minus time minus 2k, and a is equals to 1, so solution will become 2k. This is the solution of alpha plus beta, that is sum of roots. And product of roots, that will be alpha times beta. This is equals to c over a. So c is equals to 2k plus 1 whole divided by 1. So it will become 2k plus 1. I have calculated uh, alpha plus beta is equals to 2k, alpha beta is equals to 2k plus 1. Now, what I have to do in this question, that you will see that I have gotten to label these sum of root and product of root as equation number 2 and equation. Now I will separate it from writing the letter S or P. I will simply write it alpha plus beta, that is in equation number 2, equals to 2k, and alpha beta equals to 2k plus 1, as it is mentioned in equation number 3. So what I have done, in fact, that I have separated uh, from the letter S and P as alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now I will solve a fact, which I just want to tell you that you will remember as a formula. It will help you a lot. Sort of arrangement or a formula that you have to remember. I am writing it as alpha plus beta whole square will be equals to alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta. What I am going to box, this will be sort of a formula whenever you want to find sum of squares of roots. This will be the formula that will be used. You have to remember it, it will be very important, and it will be used in the next exercise as well. So you have to learn it by heart, that whenever you have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square, you should use this one, this formula. Why I'm saying it? Because you can see that alpha plus beta will be actually sum of roots, and alpha beta will be product of roots. So in fact, finding alpha square plus beta square, we will be using alpha plus beta and alpha beta as I have done in equation number 2 and equation number 3. as sum of root and product of root. So you will learn the formula of finding sum of squares of root by using sum of root and product of roots. So now you will simply substitute the formula as I have written in the box, so you will learn it by heart. And now put the values we have already gotten. You can see that in equation number 1, alpha square plus beta square is written as 6. So I will write in place of this 6, and sum of root alpha plus beta is equals to 2k, but it will contain a whole square, and alpha beta is equals to 2k plus 4, like this one. Now our task is that we wanted to find the values of k. So what we will do that we will simplify this expression and we will write the value of k. So you will see 2k square means that it will be 4k square, and you will multiply these two terms, it will become 4k plus 2. In the next step it will become 4k square minus 4k plus 2, and if you shift 6 on other side like this one, so on this side it will be 0 1. So if you simplify it, 4k square minus 4k minus 4 equals to 0. So this is very much quadratic in terms of k, like this. So if it is a quadratic equation, you can use quadratic formula, you can use midterm breaking, whatever is easy, you should go for it. So I mean there is a slight mistake. If I just wanted to correct it right here, it should be minus 2 because minus sign will change the sign of 2. So will ultimately will become minus 8. So I will simplify it by taking 4 common. Will become k square minus k minus 2 equals to 0. If you divide 0 by 4, it will become 0 equals to k square minus k minus 2. Now we will make its factors to find the value of k. So I will do it on the next page. So by using midterm breaking, you will see k square minus 2k plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. And taking k common, it will become k minus 2, and taking 1 common, so it will give you two factors, k minus 2 and k plus 1 equals to 0. And from here, you will separate values of k. So k will be equals to 2 and k will be equals to minus. So this is how you will finish the question. It is question number 3 and part number 2 we have just finished. In question number 4, we have to find the value of p, and here you will see that roots of equation differ by unit. So we will start it like this one, let alpha beta be the roots of equation, and I want to write the equation for you. The equation has x square minus x plus b square equals to 0. So this is the main point which I wanted to discuss with you. This is the given information. It is the equation, quadratic equation, and this is a given condition. We will start the solution from here. Let alpha beta be the roots of equation. So these are the roots of equation. We will find sum of roots alpha plus beta by finding minus b. So you will collect ABC from the quadratic equation. So right here b is equal to minus 1. So I will write minus minus plus. So answer will be 1. Alpha plus beta will be equals to 1. And product of roots alpha beta, it will be equals to C over A. So according to this, it will be P square divided by 1. The solution will be P square like this one. Now, if I separately write it, alpha plus beta will be equals to 1. Alpha beta equals to P square like this one, and you label it as equation number 1, equation number 2, and I also want to write the translation of what is given actually. So this will be written as difference of roots means if you subtract alpha minus beta, this will be equals to 1. Unity stands for 1. So according to the statement of the question, it is written that alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta will be equals to alpha plus beta will be equals to 1 and alpha beta will be equals to p. This is because of sum of root and product of roots. But alpha minus beta, this is written in the red color, the roots of the equation will be differed by the unity. Unity means 1. That if you will do the difference of alpha and beta, so answer will be equals to 1. You should label it as equation number 3. This was the given information. Now what we will going to do that we wanted to find the value of p only. So we will solve simultaneously equation number 1 and 3, and we will put it into the equation number 2 because equation number 2 contains only p, right? So we will solve first and third equation simultaneously. We will find the values of alpha and beta, and once we will calculate the value of alpha and beta, we will use equation number 2 where there is p. So we will be able to find the value of p once we will substitute the value of alpha and beta. So we are going to solve. I will just write it here and solve it on the next page. That's solving equation number 1 and 3. First we will solve it. Now I am going to solve it for you. Simultaneous solution. If you will solve first and third equation by adding these two equations, you will see that adding two equation alpha plus alpha will become 2 alpha, but beta will be cancelled with minus beta. And right hand side you will get 1 plus 1 2. So alpha will become 2 by 2, that is equals to 4. So once we have added these two terms to find value of alpha, then one time we will do the subtraction, means that alpha plus beta equals to 1, alpha minus beta equals to 1. Again, same equations. In the first part I have added, and now I'm going to subtract it. So subtraction, once a subtraction is done by changing the signs. So you will change the signs like this one. In this case, alphas will be cancelled. It will become 2 beta equals to 1 minus 1 0. So beta will become equals to 0. Once we will find the values of alpha and beta, what I would like to do that I will put it in equation number 2. So what was equation number 2? Equation number 2 states that alpha beta equals to p square. So we will substitute the value. Alpha will be 1 and beta will be 0. So it will become equals to p square. So p will become, because we need value of p not p square, so it will become 0. So value of p will be 0. This was required to find the value. So p will be equals to 0. So different methods can be used, but I feel this will be quite convenient for you if you will go through this process.